Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send a table to a work colleague in a Microsoft Teams conversation using Microsoft Teams on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application. Now let's go over onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Teams. Let's just wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, now make sure you are signed into the account. Then go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go within chat. As you know, in the previous tutorials, we have been conversing with another member of the team. In this case, it's myself, the main account. So let's now expand the chat and insert a table. You may be wondering, how is that even done? Well, if we click on the top navigation menu, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, let's just insert 4 by 4. And why would one want to use a table within a conversation? Well, the idea would be to list and categorize information in tables for the individual who you are sending this to get a better understanding of what you are trying to get through to them. I may want to demonstrate, let's say, a list of fruit with a price of, let's say, £1 for 5 bananas, and all this will be tableized for the individual to look at this table and grasp a better understanding. So let's fill the table in. Click on send, and that table has now been sent to the individual you were conversing with. So we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.